What's up, guys? Today's March 5th. Getting the workout on, training for my surfing, and gonna get some fitness going. I don't talk too much, just trying to share some positivity, that's all. I like to do explosive work. I especially like medicine balls. Those are slam balls because I like the slam balls because you can get your heart rate up really fast. And I can throw it or drop it. I can slam it or throw it and get into some kind of surfing position. So, slam, boom, surfing position. Slam, boom, surfing position. So it just builds more explosiveness and just mimics being on the wave and the intensity of being on the wave.